1/6 of a number when subtracted from the number itself gives 25. Therefore the number is here. There is one number and 1/6 of that number is subtracted from it. That is the basic logic. So let the number be x. So 1/6 means x upon 6. Now subtract this x upon 6 from x. So x minus x by 6 equals to, it's given as 25. Solve this. 6 1 the 6 minus 1, 5x by upon 6 equals to 25. 6 on this side, 5 on this side. So 5 comes down, 6 goes up, 5 5 is 25 and into 3 30. So the number is 30. This was quite easy, basic maths. Next, if angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4, then the difference between the greatest and the smallest angle is, means basic angles of a triangle 2:3:4 means what is the sum of all the angles of a triangle? That is 180 degrees, right? So let the angles be 2x, 3x and 4x. So when you add this 2x plus 3x plus 4x, it's 180. Add this 9x equals to 180. X equals to 180 by 9, that is 20. So 2x means what now? 2 into 20. 3x means 3 into 20 and 4x means 4 into 20. So we want greatest and smallest. Greatest means 4 into 20, that is 80. Smallest means 2 into 20, 40. So greatest minus smallest, we want the difference is 40 degrees.